Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out general information about a particular airport that you have in mind on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this search bar at the top of the screen and go to the shortcuts to find section and click on airport by country. Select a country. You can also type in the name of it into the search bar. Select the relevant airport and click on show general information. Here you can find pictures of it, the scheduled flights, runway details can be checked out, and the frequent flyers. You can check out the arrivals as well as the departures down below and when it is on ground. If you tap on this, you can also check out its playbacks, flight info, aircraft info, and basically that's it. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.